Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 30. A, yes, sir. B, sir, the feasibility report has been completed and DPR provision is underway. C, sir, does not arise in view of B above. Yes.
Mr. Speaker, sir, since this road is the lifeline of many of the Northeast states, so therefore I just request the Honorable Deputy CM to speed up the process of the full lining of NH6. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
More question? Majority, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, with regard to the road that was mentioning here, whether any compensation has been made in the past or not, sir.
Sir, this, in fact, this question which asked by the Honourable Member, Santa Maricela, it is the national highway. So previously, all the land compensation has already been paid. But the question now is about the widening of the road from double lane to the four lane. And the land acquisition is on the way, and once the compensation is paid, then the concerned district collector will hand over the land to the competition.
Sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very thankful for the Honorable Member Santa Maricela for raising this very important question, because indeed it is a very important road, not only in Jaintia Hills, but for the people of different states. Sir. Because just last year, I mean, there's so many traffic jam happen along this highway. So sometimes we used to get stuck for up to 6 to 7 hours. So that's why it's a very important road. So that's why, sir, for my side, so I would like to request upon the Honorable Deputy CM, sir, to kindly look into the matter and kindly speed up the process in preparing the DPR also to sanction this very important road, sir.
Yes, sir. Further, for the information of the Honourable Member and also the members of this August House, sir, the four laning starting point is from this Umroi junction, which is called Mawryngkneng, up to Ratashara. And this particular project is called the economic corridor within, in the northeastern states, in Assam as well as Meghalaya. So therefore, even the ministry, the government of India, Ministry of Road Transport, they kept it as a priority. And as I've already replied, feasibility report has been completed, DPR is underway, and also the land acquisition is already initiated, and very soon, I'm sure, we'll be able to complete the whole process of this, and tendering process also will start very soon, sir. Because this is very, very important, since I've said this road is called economic corridors, inter-corridors, and also feeder routes, which connect the Silchar side, Assam, and also to Guwahati.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, is there any sanction for the repairing of Sepongdeng Road, about 5-6 kilometers, as the road is in very pathetic condition? So while traveling there, we really pity for the sick people, especially the pregnant women. It is really a problem, sir.
Yes, sir. Relating to the repairing of these stretches, some portions which is in devalidated, and this sanction has been accorded, and some portion also the work is on, and I'll make sure that the entire stretch of this national highway is also repaired at the earliest possible, sir.
Expedite the process, sir, as early as possible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir. Just one more question, sir. So, sir, last supplementary, sir. Since the question is related about the national highway, out of curiosity, sir, I just want to know from the Honorable Deputy CM, sir, what about the repairing of the Juwai bypass road, sir? It is, the road condition as of now, it is in a very pathetic condition. So I want to know, sir, whether any sanction has been accorded with regard to the repairing of Juwai bypass road, sir.
Yes, sir. Juwai bypass, in fact, work order has been issued, and the sanction amount is about 11 or 12 crores. I don't have the record right now, but work order has been issued, and instruction has been also given to the contractor to start the work immediately, sir.